Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to reset Firefox to fix crashes. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go and open of course Firefox, or download it before that, because of course it does not come with Windows, so you have to download it through another browser. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the middle of the screen, as you can see, we have the search box, we have the search bar in the top, and we have the of course tabs and the shortcut. In the top right corner, we have the three lines, horizontal lines, where you can go and see settings and a lot of different things. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and reset Firefox to fix crashes. So first of all, go type about to then support in the address bar and press enter. So do it like this. So click on about, then put two dots like this and click support and type enter. Now on the troubleshooting information page, click the refresh Firefox button in the upper right corner. So you have it here, as you can see. A dialog box will appear asking you if you want to reset Firefox. Click refresh and of course again and confirm. Firefox will close and restart with a fresh profile, restoring default settings and removing add-ons. This process will help you fix most issues caused by add-ons or changed settings. Your essential data like bookmarks, passwords, and cookies will be saved and restored after the reset, so you don't have to worry about that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.